how to find Temu help articles fast using the support search. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you are new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So there are plenty of help articles on Temu. You just need to know how to search it. So let's dive right in. Open up your browser and then go to Temu's homepage and go to support in the top right and go to support center. So there you'll find list of help articles, but instead of just scrolling down and searching through it, you can see the search bar here. You can just type whatever you want to and then just search for it, and you'll get help articles within seconds. You just need to tap on it and then you get answers to your question. So, if you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to hit the thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching.